This video will show you how to add pages to your portfolio and edit the content of those pages. Here in the toolbar at the top of the page are the two most important buttons in Google Sites. The first button, that looks like a pen, enables you to edit the current page you are viewing. The second button, with the plus sign, enables you to add an additional page to your portfolio. For example, let's say you want the first page of your portfolio to be your home page instead of your welcome page. The first thing to do is to click on the Edit Page button. Then you will see the text editor toolbar appear at the top of the page. This is very similar to the toolbar that appears at the top of a Word document or an email message. The tools in the toolbar enable you to adjust things like typefaces, font sizes, bold, italics, underline, text color, and more. In order to change the title of this page, the first thing you need to do is click on the text box that reads Welcome. You can now delete this title and change it to Home. In the text box below, you can begin to edit the text that appears in the body of your page. You can also copy and paste in text if you already have composed it in a separate document. After you have finished editing your page, you must click the Save button in the upper corner to save and view the changes you have made. Okay, so let's say you want to create a new page for your portfolio. To do this, you can click the New Page button in the toolbar. First thing you need to do is name your new page. For our purposes, we will call this Statement of Purpose. Notice that as you title your page, the URL will automatically generate, much like when you first created your site. Now you can select the template you'd like to use for your new page. For more information about announcements, file cabinets, and lists, check out Google Site Support documentation. For our purposes, we will choose the web page template. Finally, you need to select the location or level of your page. This will determine where the page appears in your navigation. For now, we will make this a top-level page. Once you have selected the settings for your new page, click the red Create button. This will automatically take you to the new page you've just created, and you will be viewing it in edit mode. From here, you can edit the contents of the page in any way you like. But remember, you must click the Save button when you are finished in order to save and publish your new page. You can also make changes to your page settings by clicking the More drop-down button in the top right corner of the page. You can make a lot of changes using this More menu, but for now, we will just focus on editing and moving your pages. First, click on Page Settings. Here, you can allow comments and attachments on your page, automatically show links to subpages, and specify if you would like your page to show up in your navigation. Keep in mind that your page may not automatically show up in your navigation, so always make sure this box is checked if you want the page to appear in your navigation. You can also move your page within your portfolio from the More drop-down menu. For example, you can move your page underneath another page that you have already published. This will create a hierarchy of your pages in your portfolio. If we select Move Page, a box will appear that lists all of the other pages you've created. If you select one of those pages, such as the home page, and click Move, your statement of purpose will move down in the navigation under your home page. Now your statement of purpose is listed as a subpage of your top-level home page. In order to move the page back to a top-level page, you can select Move Page again and click on the name of your portfolio site. In this case, John's Portfolio. And then click Move. Now your statement of purpose page is back in its original location in the navigation and is listed as a top-level page. The More menu also enables you to perform actions like printing your page or deleting your page if you decide you don't need it anymore. By familiarizing yourself with some of the basic functions of creating and editing pages, You can now begin to build the content of your portfolio. But of course, nothing can substitute for a bit of playtime, so start looking around, creating and editing new pages so you can practice working with various tools and settings available to you. You can always delete them later. Good luck and have fun building the pages of your portfolio.